It's Eli, and I'm back again with another video. Today for you guys, I'm just coming with, a quick little video on a little, morning routine or morning method that you guys could do that will help you out throughout the day. So what you're gonna need for this method is an oil, you're gonna need a medium brush, and then you're gonna need a soft brush. So after you wake up, your hair is laid down already, so you don't wanna lift it back up. This is just to add some shine, add some moisture, and to, lay down your hair so your hair can be good throughout the day. Because if you have to go to work or school or whatever, and you can't rack up all day, and you unrag, you want your hair to be laid, moisturized, and shiny, right? So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna just take your medium soft and your soft brush and an oil, a light oil, whatever oil you got. Today, I'm using tea tree oil, and you're just gonna get a session in. So first, let me unrag and show you guys how I'm looking. Fresh out the rag. I got a nice session last night. I was brushing till about 1-2 o'clock in the morning. Right now it's only about 10 o'clock in the morning, so I really didn't get that much sleep. So my eyes look like this. I look a little crazy, and that's also why my voice sound like this. But what you're gonna need is a medium soft and a soft. But the reason why you need this is because you don't want to lift your hair back up. A medium soft is gonna give you some pull, not a lot of pull, but some pull. The soft brush, is gonna distribute the oils in your hair evenly, and it's gonna make it look nice and laid and shiny. All right, you guys, let's get into the session. laid, shiny and silky my hair looks. So now it's just time to put your swag rack on and rag up. All right, you guys, now that's the end of the video. I just wanted to come with a quick tip, a quick helpful morning video, morning routine method, whatever you want to call it. And again, you guys, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate it, if you're watching this video, if you're not subscribed already, to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like, comment, and share this video. As always, you guys, if you like this do-rag or any other do-rag, you guys know where to get it at by now, swagrag.com. I'll leave it in the description, and also leave my coupon code on the screen for extra, 15% off. And as always, you guys, stay wavy.